Social Security has announced 2025 figures for substantial gainful activity and trial work periods. I'm Jonathan Ginsberg. I'm a Social Security disability attorney. I represent clients in all 50 states, from Maine to California, and I'm able to do that because disability hearings are now held mostly by telephone or video, so it's very easy for me to represent somebody through 2 or 3 or 10 states away. It doesn't really matter. I want to talk to you today about Social Security's updated figures for substantial gainful activity and for trial work period. This is very relevant to what I do, and I want you to know about the new figures. In 2024, current year, as I'm recording this, the figure for substantial gainful activity is $1,550 a month gross income. Starting on January 1 of 2025, it goes up to $1,620 gross income. So in 2024, if you're working and you're earning less than $1,550, it does not count as work for Social Security purposes. In 2025, that number is $1,620. And this is important because when people are applying for disability and they want to work part-time, they need to know how much they can work before it becomes a problem with Social Security. So again, 2025, $1,620. And again, substantial gainful activity is how Social Security defines work or work-like activity. If you're earning over that on a regular basis, you do not qualify for disability. So if you're working and earning less than SGA, substantial gainful activity, you can continue to work and pursue disability. And if you've been approved for disability and you're working part-time and earning less than SGA, it will not affect you. So again, 2024, $1,550, 2025, $1,620. Another figure you want to be aware of is the trial work period figure. And trial work is basically when you are approved for disability or when you're found eligible, Social Security wants to encourage you to go back into the workforce. So you can work and you can earn any dollar amount possible. You can earn $1 million a month. You have 9 months of trial work period months before it becomes something to worry about. So in any 5-year period of time. So let's say that you're approved for disability and in November of 2024 and in March of 2025 you get a part-time job and you're earning $3,000 a month. Well, that's going to use up one of your trial work period. In 2024, the trial work period number is $1,110. 2025, it's going to be $1,160. So if you work after being approved, after being found eligible, maybe a better way to put it, which I'll get to in a second, you can earn up to 2024 $1,110, 2025 $1,160. You earn less than that, does not count. You don't use up one of your trial work period months. You earn more than that, and again in 2025, $1,160. So you get a part-time job in March, April 2025. You earn $1,200 a month. You've used up one of your trial work period months. You have 9 of those to play with. Once you use those up, you remain on disability, but they're going to look at whether you're over SGA, which I just talked about. So let's say you use up all 9 of your trial work period months, then you start working, but you're under SGA, no problem. You're under $1,620, no problem. If you've used up your trial work periods and you go over SGA, after using up the 9 trial work period months, you go over SGA, now you get into overpay status. That's where you want to avoid. So big picture is when you are found disabled, any month after you're found disabled, you can have trial work period months. If it's below the threshold, no problem. If it's above the threshold, you have 9 of them to use up. Now, sometimes I see situations where somebody applies for disability, they're approved, but during the time we're waiting for a hearing or waiting for a decision, a person goes back to work and they earn, more than SGA. But it's not on a regular basis, it's occasional. Judges, and I've seen it happen, you can make an argument, and judges will do this, they will let you use your trial work period months as of the time you were found your onset date. So even if you haven't been adjudicated disabled yet, they can go back and retroactively apply your trial work period months. So I've had situations where somebody got approved, let's say in July of 2024, but in March of 2023, while they're in the middle of applying, they went to work and they earned $3,000. A judge can call that either an unsuccessful work attempt, or if there's a lot of those months, they can use some of them as trial work period months. So it's as of the date you're found disabled, which again may be a year and a half, 2 years ago, you can start using your trial work period months. But it's really important, big picture, if you are found disabled, to know the trial work period numbers for all the years that are after you were found disabled, as well as the SGA numbers, so you know how much you can earn without causing problems. I'll put a link to a table for both of these numbers for past years and current years in the description here, but just be aware that you need to know about substantial gainful activity and trial work period months, and you'll be able to possibly work, earn a little bit of money, and still maintain your disability without getting into overpay status, which, trust me, you do not want to do. Hopefully you found this helpful. Please visit me online at ssdanswers.com. You can download my Secrets to Winning a Disability Survival Kit. Also ask for a case evaluation. Please also join me at 8:30 every Wednesday for my live stream. I go for about 2 hours answering questions from people about Social Security disability. For now, this is Jonathan Ginsberg, wishing you the best. Thanks a lot. Hi, this is Jonathan Ginsberg, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you'd like to know more about how to win your Social Security disability case, I'd like to invite you to download my Secrets to Getting Approved Early Survival Kit that I created just for people like you. Currently, I'm making the survival kit available at no cost, and I encourage you to grab your copy now. Some of the topics I cover include: how do I know if I have a case? Is it the right time for me to file my claim? 9 common mistakes that can doom your case. The 3 must-have arguments you use to win your case. And a topic that every disability claimant wants to know: how to avoid trick questions from the judge. If you or a loved one need to win Social Security disability benefits, you'll find the Survival Kit essential reading. Download your Survival Kit right now and at no cost. Just visit ssdanswers.com/survival and sign up. It's that easy. Please act now. And as always, I wish you the best.